7:37, time to focus on business. Our business editor Mike Eppel joining us this morning. Mike, employment numbers out today, and those numbers are moving the markets.
Yeah, big time to the upside, actually, Ted. It's about the U.S. numbers. You already mentioned the Canadian jobs report for April, which did show some losses, specifically in the retail sector over the past month. We finally saw the fallout from the Target Canada shutdown, the shutdown of Future Shop, the fallout from the energy sector. A lot of construction jobs lost in April, according to StatsCan. But that's not really the market mover of the day. It's the U.S. numbers. 223,000 jobs created by the U.S. economy. Big number. But it's right in line with forecast, and for an economy that size, it is a typical moderate economic performance on a monthly basis. March was way down, so everybody was expecting a pop higher out of the U.S. numbers, and it's the so-called Goldilocks scenario, where you've got an improving economy but no inflationary pressures, and that should keep the U.S. Central Bank on hold for interest rates, probably until September, maybe even longer. So investors applauding big time this morning and sending the Dow Jones up more than 150 points in the opening minutes of trade. Voting matters. We saw that earlier in the week with the Toronto stock market reaction and the energy stock sell-off with the NDP victory in Alberta. This morning, it's all about the UK, where David Cameron's back in power with a majority government. Again, the polls, they didn't predict it, and investors are very happy to see the status quo, more or less. Having said that, there is still a lot of uncertainty about what Mr. Cameron will do regarding the UK's place within the Eurozone. Do they renegotiate or anything of that nature? So, but this morning, though, London stocks way up, more than 2%. Walmart and Canadian Tire buying up some of those former Target Canada locations. Walmart saying this morning it is picking up 13 former Target Canada stores and an overall investment of $350 million that will, according to Walmart, create about 4,000 jobs. Retail, construction, renovation jobs, all sorts of jobs. Canadian Tire is buying 12. That was announced yesterday. And Toyota raising its guidance for the year to a record-breaking profit forecast of $19 billion. World's biggest automaker. They see a lot of growth in the United States and China, and they are expanding and building new plants in both Mexico and the U.S. So again, big start to the trading day on the markets, and a big conclusion, of course, later tonight when the Flames are back in action. Ted, back to you.
Go Flames, go, Mike. You got to be with us, right?
Absolutely.
All right, good stuff. Thank you, Mike. Have a great weekend. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, reporting. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.